YouTube? Welcome back to another episode. This time we get the car back on the road and we take it for a test drive finally. So we're wrapping up everything. I'm actually going through a brake job, replacing the calipers for the rear brakes right now. This uses a special kind of GM caliper on the back of the car, and I purchased just replacements. Those are leaking. I've tried to rebuild them and they've been leaking pretty badly this whole time. But to keep the e-brake cable setup that I've got and the length, everything I've already got created, why re-engineer, recreate the wheel? So I'm going to go ahead and got a direct replacement of these old ones at Summit and new ones. These are really affordable. I think these are like 60 bucks each. So it's pretty affordable for a rear brake caliper, and these are real common. So nice new rebuilt, and we're going to get this guy put in, and I got one for the other side. So we'll get both sides put in, and then we'll put some transmission fluid in. Now what I ended up getting was a Dextron Mercon. That's what you want to put in this ATF fluid. So it is automatic transmission fluid. It's a Dextron Mercon, half synthetic, partial synthetic. Anyways, it's Lucas. Automatic transmission fluid, sure shift, and this is compatible with Dextron Mercon 3. So this is a Dextron Mercon 3 equivalent. And anyways, it's a semi-synthetic. I've got 3 quarts of that. I'm going to put that in the transmission. Hopefully help it out a little bit. But this is the brake that's really been leaking the most. This guy's been leaking pretty badly on its seal. So yeah, we're not going to do too much here to make it pretty. I think what I will do is put a coat of paint on the hub here, because those do look pretty bad. And yeah, again, just getting the car back on the road, guys. I'm on video. Hey, I got me a little cameraman. Why don't you say hi, buddy? I haven't seen you in a while.
Hi.
What are we doing? Do you know what we're doing, Connor?
Putting the transmission in.
Oh, that was yesterday.
Putting the brakes on.
Yeah, rear brakes.
Rear brake.
This side is nasty, nasty.
Okay.
Just replacing the rear brakes. These brake pads weren't even doing anything. Look at this. This is nasty, buds. Look at that. This guy's been leaking. It's rusting. It's just had it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Alright. Am I on the camera?
Huh?
Is this brake part in the camera?
Oh.
Okay, that's good.
Now it is.
Alright. Well, let's go take this.
And you too.
Cool. Let's go take this up to the bench. Get the new one out.
Okay, I'm gonna unlock this.
And we're gonna clean up this rotor. Cameraman in training. Cameraman in training. Dude, this thing is disgusting. Well, I wore that one out, didn't I? Put a nice lip on that. Dang, in on that one. Looks like only one side of the brake was working, but it looks like just the passenger side was working, which kind of stinks. We're going to have to go get a bunch of new brake pads. Boo!
Say hi to the camera, Daddy. Daddy, say hi.
What's up? I am masking the disc to paint the hub.
Action.
This is it. You're getting the action right now.
What are you doing, Daddy? You have to talk in the video. The video's action.
Oh, well, what I'm doing is painting the hub.
Action.
What's up, everybody? Hello, YouTube. Well, you got a mop on you. Hey, he's gone. He's gone. Connor, say Happy Memorial Day. Get your finger off the lens. There you go. Say Happy Memorial Day.
Happy Memorial Day. And now punch the screen. That's fake, Daddy. I'd be so close as punch the screen.
Ground. Brakes are done. We got them bled. Anyway, you've been sitting out here with me the whole time. A lot of work. We have a new transmission. We got new fluid in it. We got reworked exhaust, and we redone the rear brakes completely. So I bled them myself with a flagpole and a stick to hold the pedal down. It took forever. Whew. It's 6 o'clock on a Friday. What do you say we take it up to Albertsons, good pup? Okay, geez, first time for a lot of things. Make sure our brakes work. Okay, maiden voyage, right, bud? Well, the exhaust leak is annoying. I know I tightened those things up really good. I used a impact on them, so emergency brake is kind of holding. It's really loose. Cable's still loose, so probably need to adjust that. Uno. Hey, first gear. Well, transmission's fixed, bud. Transmission feels good. Clutch feels alright. Whoa, that exhaust leak is bad, con man. Well, the ultimate goal was to replace the transmission. Fix the transmission noise, which we've done. And the transmission feels good, but I think the brakes still need bled a little bit better. And the exhaust leak is terrible. Like a different car right now. It's running good though. Oh, I can't take that exhaust leak though. Man, that is a bad exhaust leak. Connor, say what's up. Uno! Don't start that again. It's a signature, man. Signature. Hey, the exhaust leak. It has been fixed. Can't hear it now. Car seems to be idling high, or it's taking longer to come back down, regular idle. But it's running good. Alright guys, so anyways, happy Memorial Day weekend everybody. Got the exhaust fixed last night and just kind of repositioned where it sits on the collector and just tightened it back up. And yeah, it's a beautiful day for a drive. So we're gonna go pick up some steaks. So last night we went to the car show, came back home, got him to bed, lifted the car up, fixed that, ended up swapping the locations of the O2 sensors, put it back in the stock location, because whenever I did the last exhaust, I swapped location. I put the wideband up to the top of the header. The idle's still hanging, and I think I know why. Remember that new vehicle speed sensor we put in? I think the other one wasn't ever working. Now it is working, and it's causing an issue with it. Somebody just go unplug it. God almighty. I did order a MGW shifter. I went ahead and purchased it, and it'll be here when it gets here. I got an MGW shifter with two handles. I went ahead and ordered the standard handle and the race handle. So we'll put the race handle on and the standard handle, and let you guys know how I like that when it gets there. So I guess there's nothing else left in this video. It's just us driving around like crazy father and sons like we are. So we don't really be that crazy. We're pretty lame. Who knows? Oh, the brakes suck. Gotta fix the brakes still. They need some help still. She's running good. I did? Yeah. What word did I say? Hate them? Oh, I don't hate them. They just need work. Alright, everybody. Say bye, Connor. Bye. Where's my beer? Damn it. Guys, happy Memorial Day. Listen, I want to thank all you veterans out there and everybody else who has served in the military. Thank you for giving us our freedom here to do this kind of stuff and haul ass around the streets, you know. Anyways, listen, so we're done, and the car's back on the road, so that's pretty awesome. But what's to come? Let's see. We've got a lot of things still to do. We're still going to put the turbo on. The on-3 turbo kit is going to go on this car. And going to get the MGW shifter in, so we'll be putting that in, and we'll basically going to have some fun this summer. I know that it's getting hot out here already in Texas, and we're going to be, spending a lot of time on the road and just doing some fun stuff with the car. So probably a lot of series, a lot of videos coming up aren't going to be a lot of how-tos. It's going to be more or less really just driving the car around and enjoying the car. So I haven't made a lot of videos doing that, and I want to make some more videos enjoying it and meeting other people with Foxes and kind of talking to them and getting, just getting their story and learning about their cars and talking to other folks that are like myself. So if you haven't got your beer, if you're not a drinker, well, drink some coffee, I guess. If you are, get yourself a beer. You probably are. It's Saturday night. And bottoms up to you guys. But I want to take a quick second here and tell you guys thank you so much. I've made 3,500 subscribers, which is, to me, is a lot. Some people out there, it's like whatevs. But hey, to me, it's a lot, and it's just crazy to think there's a lot of gearheads out there who just really want to sit back like I do myself, and sit back in front of my computer and watch other gearheads work on their cars. That's what I do. Like, seriously, I sit around and just watch other people like myself just work on cars. I want to be around more car people, and I want to be around more people that are like myself, and that's just how the world turns, man. So I'm so glad to have you guys with me, and I'm glad you guys are here, and I hope you stick around. Man, think of how far we've come. Seriously, imagine day one. Do you remember day one? If you don't know me and you haven't been on the channel a long time, go ahead, scroll down all the way down to the bottom. Go down to the bottom, and I have been documenting everything on this car since the first day we brought it home, and I think that's pretty cool, and I've had a lot of fun doing it. And it's not over yet. We got lots more to document, so This car's come a long way. It really was kind of a pile. It's not perfect. It's not a show car. It never will be. It never will be that car with the most expensive high-end parts ever. No, it's just going to be a absolutely fun car to drive. And that's the whole goal here. We're just building a fun 86 Mustang. To me, this is the best car that America ever made. So, and besides the Torino, that's pretty cool too. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram, and we will see you next time.